Live from Frenchtown.
Free-to-air TV.
It's not showing the biggest match, and we the people.
Jamaica has a huge Brazilian fan base, and Trenchtown is proof. Many World Cup fans here watched Brazil's final group stage game from home. Even if not watching a Brazil match, roaring celebrations can act as goal alerts in these streets.
That sound like a next goal.
Brazilian.
Jamaicans have supported Brazil in football for decades. The devotion was boosted by some of the island's greatest football moments, like Pele's visit in 1971 and Reggae Boy's first World Cup qualification in '97, led by Brazilian coach René Simões. Which World Cup team would you go this hard for?